In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your Windows Home Edition 10 in safe mode. One of the reasons you may want to start in safe mode is to troubleshoot your Windows to see if there's any issues with any application that is making your computer slow, or you may have a virus. If you do have a virus, go ahead and uh, update your virus definition before you enter into safe mode. That way, when you are in safe mode, you can run the virus definition and it's more likely that it will find the virus. So in order for you to start in safe mode, you come over here and you click search. You type system configuration. You choose the system configuration app. From here, you click on boot. You choose safe boot. If you want to be in safe mode with internet, go ahead and choose network. If you just want the minimal apps to load, choose minimal and click OK. From here, restart your system and it should start in safe mode. I'm gonna go ahead and stay here without restarting, so I'm gonna exit without restarting, but next time when I restart my computer, it should start in safe mode. Remember that when you finish with safe mode, you have to change the system configurations in order for your computer to start normally. So once you finish with your safe mode, whatever you were doing in safe mode, go ahead and come back to the system configuration and uncheck this and hit OK and restart. And then from there, you should start Windows normally. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please subscribe and thank you for watching my video.